Good morning everybody and welcome back to the Sullivan family. It's Sunday and yes, we prayed to the sun gods last night and I think the sunshine is coming out today. It's coming out and hopefully it's going to stay for a while. So today is going to be an outdoorsy kind of day. Just going to walk through a minute and go and see the children. See where we're at. It's about 9:45, so it's about that time of day. I am going to fix that gate at some point. I know somebody pointed out in one of my previous videos, it drives us mad as well. I will sort it out at some point, honestly. So it's about that time of day, you know, we've done breakfast and all that kind of stuff. And this is where we're at the moment. Say hi, children. So they're all just chilling out for a minute and the TV's on. I'm just going to turn the telly off for a minute, okay? Because it's really noisy. Is that all right? He says, there we go, telly's off. So first things first, then we're going to go outside in the garden. Yeah? But this morning we're going to be doing a couple of jobs. Olivia's been nagging me to do the pressure washing for ages, and now that I've got the... Not the bouncy castle again. Yeah! Oh, all right, maybe, we'll see. We'll see, maybe. Okay? So now that I've got the drain fixed outside, that's all sorted now because we did a bath last night, emptied the bath, no water on the patio. Thank God for that. Give it another couple of months, it'll be blocked again with leaves and God knows what. So I'll be, no doubt I'll be unblocking the drain again. But Olivia wants to do the pressure washing of the patio because it needs doing and she absolutely loves it. It's like therapy for her, so she can crack on and do that. And while she's doing that, we'll see what else goes on in the garden. So for now, I'm just going to go and sun cream up the babies and we'll see you at the garden in a minute. Right, so before I go into the garden with Olivia, because I know she's chomping at the bit to do the pressure washing, I just want to talk to Zoe because I felt a bit guilty yesterday that you pretty much got left out of the video when we went down to Seatown, all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd come out and have a chat with you. So as you can hear in the background, Elizabeth's just hoovering her bed at the moment. So what are you up to? You're doing the girls' bedroom?
I'm helping them, yeah.
Yeah?
The girls.
I'm kind of glad I left you off the video. What happened to your
I'm doing Olivia's
speech?
bed for her because she's helping you with the pressure washing outside, and if I have to go and drag her inside, so I'm just helping her and helping them because
Okay.
it's a big room. So
Cool. So just to show you that Zoe is in the house and Zoe is still part of the family.
I'm just normally cleaning.
Just normally cleaning. So I just thought I'd pop out and say hello before we
Although
go
it's
out.
never clean. Nowhere's ever clean at one time because it's just minging 5 minutes later, isn't it? That's what having 13 people in the house does. It's always
Stuff to clean? Always. Right, first things first then, bins are going to get shifted. We're going to have a bit of a sweep of the patio where Olivia's going to be pressure washing. It looks like all the rest of the children are entertained at the moment, so that's okay. So I'm just assessing the patio, see where we go from here. But essentially, it'll just be moving the stuff out of the way so Olivia can blast the patio. It does need it. I mean, it's looking grubby, it's looking manky, and having a block drain every 5 minutes doesn't help, to be honest. And anybody that's got a busy life knows that you've got all these jobs on a little post-it note to do, and you keep forgetting and stuff like that. But no, it's good that the drain's unblocked, and we'll get this patio nice and clean. So yeah, I think I'm gonna time lapse. It's all going on here this morning. I've got Olivia doing a cracking job over there with the pressure washing. Isabel's helping her by brushing all the water down the drain. I've got Charlotte over here doing snacks for little ones and tidying up. Amazing. Everybody's in a helpful mood today. Not always, but they're in a helpful mood today. And then I've got this lot. Burning off energy, that's what I like to call it. Burning off energy. I don't. Do you know what? When I've been on my own, the quietness is freaky. So I'm so used to the noise. Look at them all. So the plan is, this is the master plan for today, for Sunday, is Zoe's gonna finish tidying the girls' room. Will you stop flashing your pants on my video? Yeah? Nobody wants to see your sweaty pants. Yeah. Keep flashing the pants so I have to keep editing it out. Like monkeys they are. I nearly swore then. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, so Zoe's going to be doing the girls' room this morning. Once that's finished, it's going to be lunch. And we've decided, because it's going to get even sunnier this afternoon, according to the weather anyway, we're going to take a little walk down to West Beach, let them have a run about on the beach for a bit, and that should be it, because by the time that's finished it'll be home and it'll be the usual tea time, bedtime, normal routine. But yeah, just another normal weekend in the Sullivan family house. Well, that was a productive morning. Olivia did a really good job with the pressure washing actually on the patio. It's turned out really nice. You know, it looks really good. So my glasses are covered. I'm trying to see where my glasses are covered in water. But no, that's it. We're going to stop there for lunch, and then after lunch we'll be cracking on down the beach, I believe, down to West Beach. So see you in a bit. We're out. We are on our way through Lossiemouth Golf Course, along the public footpathway down to West Beach. Got snacks, coffee, biscuits. Oh, well, I think we've forgot the nappy bag. Did we forget the nappy bag?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Forgot the nappy bag. Okay, so that's a bit of a fail. Have you got any weight? That'll have to do. And literally, as I said, I've got my bag on my back, I've got this, I've got that. Something flashed up in my mind that we forgot the nappy bag. Absolute family fail. Oh well. Look at this though. I know I've been banging on about the weather, but the weather's been fantastic here in Lossiemouth. Look, this is the golf course. It's really, really, really lovely, and I'm hoping the weather stays with us for a while. Agnes, she's just gone right through that puddle with a. Oh. You've gone right through that puddle with your brand new sandals on, you monkey. Yes, she went into the puddle. What a monkey. So just making our way down to the beach now.
That bird has got a yellow head.
Yes. Do you see the birdie? Straight on. Come on, Jojo. Well, isn't it nice down here today? That's all I've got to say, really. Let's go for a paddle. Isabel, did Joseph go back to Mum? Did she? Yeah. Alright, okay. Joseph didn't want to go for a paddle, bless him. Should we go for a paddle? Not too deep. Okay, I don't want to call out the RNLI today, thank you. It's nice and warm. Oh, it's really nice and warm today.
That's if in the water like this, obviously I was pinched by the crab.
Should have brought my waterproof case again, shouldn't I? Totally gone for it.
Yeah! I've got a really good skimmer.
Oh yeah, that's a good swimmer. Olivia, just tuck a dress in her pants. If you want. Let's go and rescue Olivia a minute.
I said to them since they call it.
Guys, just so you know, if any fall over, you're going home wearing that. We have no space. Right, please.
Good old Isabel, laying down the law.
Do it.
Oh, wow. It's good for the soul, this. Isn't it nice?
Yeah, it feels really.
Don't get your bum wet, because then you'll get bum rub. Yeah, you will. for me. Absolutely love it down here today. That water is amazing.
Why?
Is that water nice? Come here, look. Come here. You tell everybody how nice the water is. Is the water nice?
Yes.
We've been paddling, haven't we? Don't get all sandy. Don't get all sandy because we need to have a snack. Okay? I honestly think moving to Lossiemouth was the best decision we ever made. I really do. After living near London, you just can't beat this.
I like to splash.
You like to splash too?
I like to splash.
I like to splash. Do you want to put that stand down because we're going to have some biscuits in a sec? Yeah?
Ew.
All right, and then your hands are going to be all crunchy, aren't they? So we've just had a nice coffee, some biscuits and juice, and the kids have got a second wind. We're going back down to the water. Look at these. I've got excited children. Okay, don't go too deep though, will you? Agnes May? Don't go too deep in the water, will you? Okay, don't go too deep there, will you? Promise, don't get too wet. We've got to walk home yet.
Is there sharks in? No. There's sharks in the mountain.
So apparently there's a jellyfish just up here. We're going to have a quick look.
Oh, it's right there.
Have you found it? Where is it?
Oh my, it's right there. Don't go.
We found a jellyfish. Where? Oh yeah. Don't go too close to it then.
Close to it.
Don't go too close to it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
We found a jellyfish. Well, there we go. What a beautiful afternoon down at West Beach in Lossiemouth. Fantastic. Well, what an end to a beautiful day and a really, really good weekend actually. It's been very productive. We've got lots done, we've had a lot of fun. Seatown was amazing.
I'll say bye in a minute.
Oh, where are you going? You're supposed to be my people that say bye. You can't disappear. I need you to stay with me, right? No, not yet. So it's been a fantastic weekend. Off home now. Agnes is bursting for the toilet, crying because she's tired and hungry. So it's definitely... What's the matter? Oh, I've got a slider fail. That's all right, it's just a slider fail. I'm not going to go home without you, am I? So anyway, guys, that's it for this weekend. Stay tuned. Who knows what can happen in the week? You're going to trip me up in a second. It's not somebody else crying, is it? Come and say bye then. So, what was I saying? It's been a fantastic weekend. Who knows? We'll hopefully try and squeeze a video in this week. And if not, it'll be the weekend again. Lots of fun with the Sullivan family. So please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, drop us a like and a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.